This is Team D. Our members are Krishi Gupta, Pratik Agrawal, Natte Sashidhar, and me, Yashraj. And this is our project, Smart Food Menu, the Smart Menu Food Ordering System, wireless. For the motivation, what we had is that the street food industry is already running on slow profits, but they need an extra labor in order to take orders from the customers and then call out the customers when the food is ready. But another labor needs a low of damage to the profit they make. So we decided to work on this project, the automatic food ordering system. The present scenario is basically the classical waitress system that we have in the restaurants, where the waiter takes the order from the customer and gives it to the chef, and the chef prepares the order for them, and then the waiter or the guy working at the counter calls them and they receive their order. Solutions and the features of our project. Our project will minimize the number of employees, hence there will be the low cost of labor. There will be hardly any mistakes since it's a machine, and since it's a machine, business can also be done 24/7 as it will not get tired. Now moving on to the circuit diagrams. This is a transmitter section of our project where the customer will place their order on the RF controller. Originally we wanted to use a touchscreen LCD screen, but it was unavailable. And this is the receiver section of our project where the chef would see the order requested by the customer. Now moving on to the components used in our project. The Arduino Uno, the 433 MHz transmitter and receiver, the crux of our project, which makes the wireless data transfer possible. The 16:2 LCD display, where the chef will see the order requested by the customer. The controller RF, where the customer would give his order. The breadboard and jumper wires. These are not used in the original project since this was not available with us. Now moving on to the software and code. The software we used was the Arduino Uno IDE. And now moving on to the code. This is the following code that we used in our project. You only need to install the Arduino and connect the Arduino to it and enter the following code, and then click on verify that you compile the code. And now moving on to our final project. This is the controller that is seen by the customer where the customer gives his order. The LCD screen is currently on standby. As soon as the customer gives his order, it is read by the receiver module and the given order is displayed on the 16:2 LCD display. And now we will move on to the working model of our project. This is our project, it is currently on standby. This is the receiver module. Now, this is a device which is supposed to be at the customer's end. The receiver module would receive the signal as soon as the customer enters the order, and then which is manipulated by the MO and it is displayed on the LCD screen. So now let's test it. Let's say we order pizza. We see that the pizza is displayed on the LCD screen. Thank you.